Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to disable Game Booster on any Samsung phone. Now, if you want to disable Game Booster on your Samsung phone, just go to your home screen and open Settings. Then go to Notifications and tap on App Notifications. Now from here, just tap on the three dots and tap on Show System Apps. Now in the search bar, just search Game Booster. Then tap on Game Booster and tap on Notifications. Now from here, just disable the notifications from your Game Booster. Then go back and tap on Change System Settings. Now just disable this option. Go back and go to Appear on Top. Now just disable Appear on Top. Now just go back and tap on Force Stop. Then select OK. Now if you open any game on your smartphone, as you can see, we have successfully disabled Game Booster on our smartphone. And this is how you can disable Game Booster on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.